Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart iPhone 17 Pro. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We can manually turn off our device and then hold the power button to turn it on, or use the force restart method. I'll show you both of them. So why is it even worth to perform a restart or the reboot of our device? Let's say that we have some issues with our apps that they don't want to launch, or it takes really long before they open, or they even don't want to open all time, or you have issues like unresponsive screen, or your device likes to froze and we can do nothing. That is why, and that's the moment where we can perform a reboot or the soft reset, which is basically the force restart. To perform the first method that I was talking about, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking volume up, volume down, and then we need to hold the power button for a little bit, just like that. And now, to manually reboot this device, simply slide this bar into the right side to power off your iPhone. Then wait a little bit until the phone turns off, and then to turn it on, simply hold the power button. Wait a few seconds and your device will be ready to use. When it comes to the force restart, the combination is almost the same. The force restart is recommended, for example, just like I was saying, when we have issues with the frozen screen and unresponsive phone. Again, we need to click volume up, volume down and the power button, but this time we need to keep holding the power button until we see the Apple logo. Let me show you. Volume up, volume down, keep holding the power button even when the power menu appeared, so keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Alright, when it appears, we can release our finger. Now all we need to do is to simply wait until the phone turns on. Also, if you have some problems with performance of your device, I mean it works slower than usual, you can perform also the restart. Also, during that process, the RAM gets freed up and it might help with the performance of our iPhone. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.